Hey, what's up everybody? It's Abdul here at Direct Tyres and Auto. In today's video, we're going to look at some of the signs you need to look out for in order to diagnose whether you need brakes. Over here in front of me, we have some brake components. These are what is primarily used to slow down and bring your vehicle to a complete stop. This here is the brake pad. This size one is generally used in the front of the car. And this here is a disc rotor. This is again primarily used in the front of the car. Some of the signs to look out for in order to know that you are ready for disc rotors or brakes is that when you are coming to a stop and your steering wheel is shuddering, you know that the disc rotors are grooved and they need to be looked at, whether it's a machining or a replacement. If you're hearing a screeching sound as you're applying the brake, then you know that this wear indicator here is now making contact with the disc rotor. That's telling you that you need to come to the store so we can have a look and let you know what you need. Another major warning sign to look out for to know that you need brakes is if you're applying the brake pedal and you're feeling the brake pedal pulsating back towards you, then we know that the rear brakes of your car need serious attention. These signs should not be looked over so we can take care of the problem before it turns into something bigger. At Direct Tyres and Auto, we have proper testing equipment so we can check your brakes and let you know how much brake force is in each axle. At Direct Tyres and Auto, we have specialist brake testing equipment. This here is a roller brake meter. It allows us to measure and test exactly how much brake force is applied to each wheel. Over here, this is the dial, which allows us to see and exactly accurately measure the brake force. Once we have the brake force, we can put it all together and calculate efficiency. We've got a vehicle in here for brakes today. This is a prime example for us to show you of some worn down parts. This here is a wheel cylinder, and as you can see, that bad boy is ready for replacement, to say the least. This one in here is in for shoe linings, brake shoes, and wheel cylinders on both sides. On this vehicle, because the wheel cylinders were leaking, there was plenty of friction material still left on the shoes, but now that they're covered in brake fluid, they must be replaced, so we're going to go ahead and do that. These drums here now will need to be machined as well. So we'll send that off to the lathe. Right, so if you're experiencing any of the signs that we've spoken about today, for example, the shudder at the steering wheel, the pulsation at the pedal, or that you're hearing a screeching sound because the wear indicator is now touching the rotor, then it's a great time for you to come and see us so we can look after your vehicle's needs. Thank you very much.